Just about to pull up at my next customer's house, and it's for one of the large retailers in Ireland. They're doing a gesture of goodwill repair for a customer that damaged their sofa accidentally. So I think it's a stitching job, but we'll see when we go inside. Okay, so back at the console, it's all ripped, stitches burst. So we're doing a 2-needle stitch here. First needle, second needle, and this creates a much tighter, stronger seam. So that's the structural part of the stitching fixed. Now on to the decorative. Fixing a decorative stitch is just a matter of creating a new bobbin thread by hand and pulling it in tight, as you can see. Okay, all done. Decorative stitching back in position and headrests sewn back on by hand.